So we've been taking pictures every chance we can get. It's amazing. I'm actually doing the Coast to Coast Challenge, so I did the Goofy Challenge in January, and now I'm here doing this, and it's fantastic. Seeing the castle and seeing all the characters out and everything, it's great.
Scary monster face. 1, 2,
Come on, you can do it! Gina Johnson! Look at that smile. And the man, the myth, the legend. Ladies and gentlemen, that man goes all over the country. Marathons. Those colors do not run, baby.
Awesome. It was. Woo!
Yo, baby.
Good job, guys.
Yo, one more time.